how to archive posts or photos on your Instagram app. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile on my Instagram. So if you want to archive a photo or a post, you just have to click on that photo. So I will click on this one. And then from here you want to click on those three dots from the right up corner. So if you archive a post, then all the likes and comments will not be deleted. So that is a good thing. So once you go to archive and you want to post it again, all the likes and comments will still be there. So like I said, you just want to click on those three dots from the right up corner. And then from here you want to click on archive. So it's the fourth option. So once you did that, that photo will not be on your profile. And now let's go to see our post. So you want to click on those three lines from the right up corner and then click on archives. So here you will see all the photos that you have in your archive. So once you are here, you may be on the stories archive. So if you want to change that, you just have to click right here on the title. You have an arrow, so click on that. And at the bottom, you have to click on posts archive. So here you will see all the posts that you've archived. So if you want to make a post public again, you just have to click on it and then click on those three dots from the right up corner and then click on show on profile. So now let's go back on our profile. Let's refresh our page, and here we have the photo that we made it public. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.